Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Skoda OE umbrella holder in your Polo, Vento, Rapid, etc. Now I got this from Europe, one of my good friends from Team BHP. Avinash got it down from the Netherlands, and there's a small problem. However, if you see this center to center distance between these two slots, it is about 410 mm to 420 mm, but the pitch between these two rails you have here is not the same. It's about 465 mm. So you're going to need to have two adapter plates, 2 or 1 that's left to the user, to extend this hole so you can fit this here. As you can see, there's a small shortage. This hole is now right there in the center here, but when you keep it like this, there's a small shortage here. But this is because this particular storage utility holder is for the Skoda Rapid that retails out there in the Europe, but still this can be accommodated here in the front area. So I'm going to show you how to install it. So I have these adapter plates. I had prepared a hand sketch of the plate and WhatsApped the image to one of our vendors and a good friend who had it cut from a CNC machine. I gave it a coat of primer spray and black spray paint. So what I intend to do is I'll place this right there in the center like this, and have these plates on either side secured with independent bolts. And I have these hex slot round head bolts with nylock nuts here, which will ensure a very firm mount once I secure it to these holes here. Now this is an XZN or a triple square bolt. The same bolt is used in the steering column as well for securing the steering wheel. But that's an M12 unit. This is an M10 unit. So we'll have to remove this as well. No hex key or Allen key is going to go into that. So you're going to need a very specific triple square bit or an XZN bit. So we'll remove this. So I have this triple square bit secured to my 1/2 inch ratchet with an extension here. So this is that unit. You will adapter plate rather, just slide it inside. Now guys, for this side it's a little complicated because you can see that the space is not sufficient, but this plate is actually gone beneath the sliding rail. So I'm just going to leave it be and check if after tightening the holder shouldn't move. So let's see that. So you can see that actually that side has been tightened fairly well. It doesn't move no matter what. So I hope that was sufficient. So this side we have extended it by an adapter plate and a hex socket bolt, and the other side we have left it be, and that sliding rail is actually holding the plate of this holder, and it's an added storage space. So no issues with the rail movement. The only downside is the person who's sitting on this seat will probably end up banging his feet on this holder, so it's bound to get a little scuff marks and dust and dirt, etc. But that's okay. Nothing like an additional storage cubicle. I hope you found this video useful. If you want to source this part, you can ask one of your friends coming down from the Europe to source it for you. It's dirt cheap. Thank you so much for watching, guys.